Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Suzuki Swift Sport. So this is our 2013 Suzuki Swift Sport. It has covered just over 94,000 miles from new. It's got 3 former keepers, 9 service stamps, and whilst in our care, we've given it a service including the spark plugs, replaced discs and pads all round, given it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. We've also had the alloys professionally refurbished and powder coated in dark anthracite grey, and they really set the car off. This really is a very, very nice looking motor. It's kind of like a dark red colour, like almost like a maroon colour, which really does look nice against these dark anthracite alloys. Definitely one of the nicest looking hot hatches out there, I think. Really underrated, these cars. Inside, you've got AM FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, ice cold aircon, steering wheel controls, cruise control, power fold mirrors, keyless entry and start. So it's really well equipped for a little hatchback like this. It's a 6-speed manual with a 1.6 petrol engine. Nice sporty seats as well. Reasonable bit of boot space on these. It's not terrible. Same with the rear legroom. For a little 3-door hatchback, it's certainly not bad. Really, really lovely little hatchback this. Excellent fun to drive, really does grip very, very well, especially with 4 matching Goodyear tyres, which are nearly new. Couple of little marks on the bodywork, as you've got to expect, a few little stone chips here and there, but nothing terrible. Really, really nice looking cars. Hugely underrated these. These are definitely one of the more fun, naturally aspirated hot hatches that you'll find out there. Very, very nice motor. Really well looked after too. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.